Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be learning how to make fried bread buns. So let's get started. Into a pan, add unsalted butter, add ginger garlic paste and saute it well for 1 minute. To this add spring onion and saute them well. You can even add onion. To this add boiled and minced chicken. We have boiled the chicken with ginger and garlic paste and then minced it in a grinder. Add salt. Add red chili, black pepper, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. Mix them well. Once our filling is ready, switch off the gas. Take sandwich bread and cut off the edges. You'll need water, the filling masala and breadcrumbs. Dip the bread in water, squeeze out the excess water from the bread. Now fill in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the masala as shown in the video. Close the bread from all the sides. Give it a gentle press. Now as the final coating, dip the bread in breadcrumbs. You can find the recipe for homemade breadcrumbs at the end of this video. Once done, keep aside for 10 minutes for it to set. Heat cooking oil on medium flame. Fry the bread buns until they are golden brown. Now our fried bread buns are ready to be served. You can check out similar recipes in our snacks playlist. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, press the red button and the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram. Our handle name is given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.